Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you straight to Italy. Let's make some pizza sauce. So for the pizza sauce, you would need peeled tomatoes or the already canned one. Boil your tomatoes for about 2 to 4 minutes. Once you see that the peel is coming off, it's a cue that the tomato is ready. That's how to get it peeled. So once the peel comes off, you just peel off the tomato skin completely. Pour it into your blender. This is definitely not enough for the sauce, so I went ahead to add the already peeled canned plum tomatoes. To this, I added 1 cube. Then I went on to add 1 tablespoon of oregano. Then half a tablespoon of white pepper. 1 tablespoon of mixed spices. Then I added half a teaspoon of salt. Add a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Once it's well blended, go ahead and pour it into a pan and bring it to a boil. Ooh, delicioso! What is pizza sauce without pizza? So I went ahead to make a very large pizza and mini pizzas. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.